Looking for something different to do in Winter Park, Florida? Well, we've got you covered. Hey guys, welcome back to another video of our continuing series with Explore My Town. I'm Emily Enlow Nickley with New Home Partners at Keller Williams, and today we are checking out the city of Winter Park from a little bit of a different lens. We're not only going to see some amazing homes, but we're also going to get a history lesson. You won't want to miss it, so come check it out. My town is your town, so let's explore together. Welcome to the Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour. The Winter Park Boat Tour covers the chain of lakes in Winter Park that spans across 6 lakes, 3 of which we get to visit on the tour, from Lake Virginia to Lake Maitland. The city of Winter Park was established in 1881 when the logging industry came in from 1875. They decided to build hotels and eateries for wealthy northerners who could come and stay as snowbirds. That's the beginning of some of the amazing estates that you'll see on the boat tour. A lot of people don't realize that the lakes that we have here in Florida are naturally formed from the Ice Age. The canals were dug out to float logs down for the loggers when the logging industry was heavy in this Winter Park area. Rollins College is located on Lake Virginia. It was established in 1885, and it was the first college built in Florida when Winter Park was only 5 years old. The city of Winter Park's mascot is the peacock. Peacocks are not native to Florida, but it's because of the Genius family, a home you'll see on the Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour, that brought a male and female to Winter Park and started the population of peacocks back in the 1900s. Now, Winter Park has over 350 or more of these amazing species. The Winter Park Boat Tour started in 1938. It's in its 83rd year, and it is its second oldest Florida attraction, right after Silver Springs and the glass bottom boats that you'll see. Hey guys, I'm here today with Walt at the Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour, and today Walt's going to tell us a little bit about this amazing attraction that we have here right in the heart of Winter Park. Hey Walt, nice to see you today, and thanks for chatting with us.
Thank you.
So can you tell me a little bit about the Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour?
Well, the Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour is the oldest attraction in the state of Florida. It's been here since 1938. It's privately owned. It's a narrated tour of 3 of the lakes on the chain of lakes here in Winter Park: Lake Osceola, Lake Virginia, and Lake Maitland. We leave every hour on the hour promptly at the top of the hour from 10 o'clock in the morning till 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
I love it. And tell me a little bit about the history. Now, you said that the boat tour started in 1938.
That's correct.
So what kinds of historic things might you see when you're taking people around on the boat tour?
Well, Winter Park was founded in the 1880s. It was settled by mostly from people from the Northeast and the Midwest. So there's still some of those old homes that were built here, and people are still occupying them. At one time, it was strictly an area where most of the people that lived here during the winters up north. They came down here to spend the winters. As a matter of fact, there's a really great old hotel called the Alabama over on Lake Maitland that was built back in the 20s. Very famous. Now it's been converted to condominiums.
That's right. They have 19 private condominiums, so no more staying at the hotel, but it's still very beautiful.
That is correct.
And we get to pass Rollins College,
Rollins
and a bunch
College,
of other museums. So it's a beautiful tour. What's your favorite part of the tour since you've been here?
I think that my favorite part of the tour is Craft Azalea Gardens. It's about a 9 to 11 acre park located over on Lake Maitland. It's just very, very beautiful. It's called Craft Azalea Gardens because during our springtime, which is coming up pretty soon, all the azaleas come into bud, and it's just a color show you wouldn't believe when you see it from the lake. And the canopy is mostly all bald cypress, which is a member of the redwood family, like the redwood trees out of California. And these trees can literally live for thousands of years, so they're just absolutely huge and magnificent.
I love it. So much history. It's beautiful. Whether you're a local, you're just looking for something to do. If you're visiting, you have a big influx of a bunch of tourists that come. Or if you're thinking about relocating to Florida, Winter Park is a place you should definitely check out. Thanks so much for having us today, Walt.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for telling us about the boat tour.
Great. Y'all come and see us.
Did you enjoy the tour?
I really did. Also, all the bad jokes.
Well, we really enjoyed Skipper Fred's tour. It was great, beautiful day. We relaxed a whole lot and I was smiling the entire time.
Awesome, thank you so much. That tour was a blast. We had so much fun. Skipper Fred was amazing, and he did have some pretty funny jokes. Not only did we get to see some amazing homes, but we learned a lot about the city of Winter Park, the history, and all of the amazing estates and families that have made this city what it is. Such a beautiful place to live and have fun. If you're looking for something fun to do, whether you're a local, you're visiting, or you're coming to make Winter Park your home, check out the Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour at 312 East Morse Boulevard here in Winter Park, Florida. As local professionals and ambassadors of our community, we are honored to showcase all the great things this community has to offer. That's why we've partnered with My Town. They've given us this amazing platform to help bring awareness to the businesses and people that make this community great. If you're a local business, or if you're someone who's looking to see what life is like in this community, drop us a message on Facebook. We're always looking forward to talking with you.